What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we've made it here to the A&B Auto Recycling Yard in Griffin, Georgia, and we're about to go inside and check out the bed they got for the truck. Hopefully it's in good condition, and it's the 8-foot box. So let's go inside and check out what they got. So we've already looked at the bed. He's gonna get the tractor out and bring it on out. Check out what's so special about these police interceptors. Oh, it's a limited edition. Alright boys, we got the bed loaded. It was a little tricky with their tractor since their forks were kind of too short. Did end up damaging it just a little bit. But other than that, it's in pretty good shape. Got a little bit of damage right over here. Nothing that we can't take care of. Probably do away with these ugly chrome inserts all around. Got her strapped in. Got about a 2-hour drive, and I'll catch you back at the shop. Alright, so we are finished with our welding. We've got all the spot welds filled in. I did booger a few of them up adjusting the welder, but that's alright. We'll get the air grinder and clean some of this up. My dad could have did a hell of a lot better job than this, but what better way to learn the skill yourself than to practice on your own? Once I got the welder adjusted and got a good feel for it, all of these look pretty good. I am going to go ahead and get the air grinder, clean this up, so we will be ready to throw some seam sealer, then we'll be ready for our sealer and paint work. So let's go ahead and wrap this up and call it a night. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of dannyTV. Today we are around back underneath the carport, and we're going to go ahead and get our hood and fender sealed, and then we'll move on to the door and get everything ready for paint. And then if we have time, we're going to get the bed, as you guys saw I picked up yesterday, and get started with the body work on that. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more awesome builds like this, and let's get started with today's episode. Alright guys, so we've got the fender sealed off and the sealer really laid down nice and smooth. We've got a little bit of dust on it now. So now we're going to go ahead and clean it up under here and get ready for our paint. The hood also turned out great. So now we're going to put those to the side and get started with our door. I'm going to go ahead and mix up some primer and get the door primed in. Alright guys, so we got the door primed in. It turned out great, but there is one little dent that the camera is not going to pick up in the center. We're going to have to touch that up with some glazing, and the door will be pretty much ready for paint. I've got the hood flipped over. I'm hoping that that sealer was nice and dry and doesn't do any damage up there. But we're going to go ahead and clean this up. We've already got it scuffed down. And I'm going to go ahead and mix up some paint. And we'll get the inside of the fender and the inside of the hood painted. Alright boys, so we've got the inside of the fender and hood painted. So we did decide to change the color up a bit. We decided to go with the bright Chrysler silver instead of the light driftwood gray. It gives the truck a cleaner look in my opinion. And it's not going to be as much work as changing the complete color of a truck. It should still match up pretty well with our engine bay and everything else. So now I'm going to go ahead and mix up some clear and get the inside of the fender and hood cleared so that we can put the fender back on the truck. Alright boys, so we threw our second coat of clear and the hood looks amazing. So now we're pretty much ready. After the fender dries, we'll be ready to throw it back on the truck. So we're gonna try to get the hood and the fender out of here so that we can get started on the bed. We're kind of losing hours in the day, but we're ready to keep going. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. So we got the hood and the fender painted on the inside, as well as got the door primed in. So we got a bunch of sanding to do on that in the bed. It's getting late on us. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. Smash that bell notification so you don't miss out on anything, and I'll catch you in the next one.